Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, BMW S1000XR. BMW Motorrad has raised the bar in the adventure touring segment with the launch of the highly anticipated 2025 S1000XR. This latest iteration of the S1000XR series combines BMW's renowned engineering prowess with advanced technology and versatile performance capabilities, promising riders an exhilarating blend of sport bike agility and adventure touring comfort. Designed to excel on both winding roads and rugged terrains, the S1000XR sets new standards for dynamic riding experiences in 2025 and beyond. Innovative design and engineering. The 2025 BMW S1000XR showcases a sleek and aerodynamic design that reflects its dual-purpose nature. Built on a lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, the bike features aggressive styling cues, including a sharp front fairing with integrated LED headlights and a distinctive BMW kidney grille design. The S1000XR incorporates adjustable windscreen and handguards, ensuring optimal rider comfort and protection from elements during long-distance rides. Dynamic suspension components with electronic adjustments offer precise handling and stability, complemented by lightweight alloy wheels fitted with dual-purpose tires for enhanced traction on various surfaces. Powerful performance. At the heart of the S1000XR lies BMW's potent 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, renowned for its exhilarating performance and smooth power delivery. Producing approximately 165 horsepower and 114 Nm of torque, the engine delivers robust acceleration and responsive power across the rev range. Equipped with BMW's ShiftCam technology for variable valve timing and lift control, the S1000XR optimizes fuel efficiency without compromising performance. A 6-speed gearbox with BMW's Gear Shift Assist Pro enables seamless clutchless upshifts and downshifts, enhancing the bike's dynamic capabilities on both highways and off-road trails. Advanced technology and connectivity. BMW has equipped the 2025 S1000XR with cutting-edge technology features aimed at enhancing rider convenience, safety, and connectivity. A high-resolution TFT display provides riders with comprehensive information, including navigation prompts, bike diagnostics, and multiple riding modes tailored for different conditions. The display supports BMW Motorrad's connected app, enabling riders to access smartphone notifications, music playback, and turn-by-turn navigation directly from the bike's interface. Integrated cruise control and cornering ABS further enhance the S1000XR's capabilities, ensuring precise control and confidence-inspiring performance in diverse riding environments. Comfort and versatility. Designed for rider comfort and versatility, the BMW S1000XR offers a spacious and adjustable riding position with ergonomically optimized controls. Optional heated grips and a customizable seat ensure comfort during extended journeys, while the bike's generous fuel tank capacity and integrated luggage mounts accommodate gear and provisions for long-distance touring. The S1000XR's advanced electronic suspension system with adaptive damping adjustment provides superior ride quality and comfort, adapting to varying road conditions and rider preferences with ease. Market impact and availability. The launch of the 2025 BMW S1000XR has generated significant excitement among adventure motorcycle enthusiasts globally. Scheduled for release in major markets, the S1000XR is expected to appeal to riders seeking a dynamic and versatile adventure touring motorcycle that excels in performance, comfort, and technological innovation. With its competitive pricing and comprehensive features, the S1000XR aims to set new benchmarks in the adventure motorcycle segment, reinforcing BMW Motorrad's commitment to excellence and delivering exceptional riding experiences. Conclusion. The 2025 BMW S1000XR represents a pinnacle of BMW Motorrad's dedication to innovation and performance in adventure touring motorcycles, offering riders a thrilling combination of agility, comfort, and advanced technology. As BMW continues to expand its adventure motorcycle lineup, the S1000XR stands out as a testament to the brand's heritage of craftsmanship and engineering excellence. With its powerful engine, state-of-the-art features, and dynamic capabilities, the S1000XR invites riders to embark on unforgettable adventures with confidence and style, ensuring a thrilling journey wherever the road leads.